do is you could
The following statement is for the Clackamas County in Oregon. A flood warning is now in effect from this evening to early Saturday morning. Major flooding is forecasted for the Clackamas River near Oregon City. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening, with the river cresting around 46 feet late tonight. When the river rises above 46 feet, expect major flooding of some residences and buildings along the lower Clackamas River, including the mobile home park just downstream of Carver Bridge. The river is expected to fall below flood stage late Friday. Follow safety recommendations and evacuation orders from your local public safety officials.
Whether it's yo-yos or